On today's video, I'm going to show you another fast style you can do with a French pin. I really love French pins, and you know that if you've been here for a while because they are a super gentle way to put your hair up. I do have a basic tutorial on how to troubleshoot problems here. If you have trouble getting the French pin to stay, I promise your hair is not too smooth, not too fine, not too thin. It's just not being quite put in right and the right tension isn't being applied. So go check out that tutorial and come back here for this really fun and easy way to use your pin.
You're going to start by gathering all of your hair into a ponytail in your hands, and then you're going to twist until the hair feels tight. Then you're going to take your French pin and put the ponytail in between the prongs, wrap the tail pieces around, and then start to spin the ponytail tighter with the French pin now around it until you can't comfortably twist it anymore. Put the prongs against your head facing horizontally, and then using pressure, flip it straight up and then down into your hair, and that's going to create the tension that's needed to hold it in place.
At the front, I like to just pull out my bangs. There we go, super cute. Super easy. I love to actually put my hair up this way for the gym because it's super secure, but I don't have to worry about having a bun in the whole time and it wrecking my hair because it's not got a hair tie. It's definitely not the style if you're looking for a ton of volume, but if you're looking for something gentle and pretty and that's going to keep your hair back and secured in place, it's definitely a great one for that. It's literally just one pin because when I pull it out, that's it. Your hair is all down and it's so gentle on the hair. That's why I really love to use one of these. So I just thought I would share that because I have really been twisting my hair that way for the gym or just when I want my hair up and off my neck and I'm not too worried about having a lot of volume and fullness at the top and around my face. And I just want something back and simple and easy, especially on days when I haven't put a bunch of volumizing products in my hair. My hair is just not going to hold other shapes. Because this one's nice and tight but still gentle, it's one that I can wear and feel nice in all day long. Hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.